Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to get Facebook dating back. So let's dive right in. First, if you've deleted your Facebook dating profile, remember that you can't create a new one for 7 days after deletion. But if you've just taken a break, you can restart whenever you want. To get started again, go to the bottom of your screen and tap on Dating or tap on the menu icon. Then tap See More in Shortcuts, find Dating and click on Start Matching. Now, if Facebook dating has disappeared entirely, here's how you can bring it back. First, make sure you still meet Facebook dating's requirements. This is likely the case if you've used it before, but just in case, search for Facebook dating requirements and verify that nothing has changed. If you meet the requirements and still don't see it, go to the menu button. Tap on See More, and if dating has moved, you'll find it there. If it's still not showing, click on the search icon in the top right, type in Dating, and access it from there. If the option still isn't appearing, it might be a glitch. You can try reinstalling the Facebook app. If you're on an iPhone, you can offload the app to keep your data while reinstalling the app files. To do this, go to Settings, then General, scroll down to iPhone Storage, find Facebook, and tap Offload App. After offloading, reinstall it and check again. If you still can't find Facebook dating, try adding it to your navigation bar. Once you're in Facebook, head to the menu. Go down to Settings and Privacy, tap Settings, and find Navigation Bar under Preferences. You can search for it if needed. Tap Customize the bar and find Dating. Make sure it's not set to Hidden, and if you'd like, you can pin it for quick access. Hopefully, this will get your Facebook dating back. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.